out here at a job today in Mount Annan, and basically the customer's got fibre to the node, and I said that everything's been working fine, then all of a sudden the internet stopped, and then nothing worked. So they spoke to their provider. Their providers told them that everything is working on their end, and it needs to, you need to get a private ACMA technician to come out and take a look. So I've come out today to try and work out what is going on. Now, I put a tone on the inside to identify the pair coming out to here. Now we've got a nice clear tone on our cable coming here, but you can see I've got my alligator clips, and they're connected down to my DSL tester. Now that's been going for probably almost 10 minutes now. You can see the flashing light there, and it's not connecting. So that's connected directly to the copper leading cable there. So this is a network issue. Now you can see these Scotchloks. The ones that they're currently using are green, and these ones aren't. So this was installed here in 2014. So these are Scotchloks from then. So when a tech has come out here, he hasn't actually come to the side of the house to do a check. So that's why Telstra or NBN, they make them change the colour of the Scotchloks every couple of years, so they can identify how old those Scotchloks are. So these ones, as you can see, they're oldies. Okay, so unless they've upgraded recently, which I don't know, but these aren't the green ones that we're currently using. So yeah, still flashing, nothing connecting. NBN, this is a network issue, not an internal link cabling issue.